good, Dave's TV? This is Dave's Creator back in the video, and today we're unboxing today's package. We have the Yes Finishing Touch Laser Removal product for face, arm, and legs. I am super excited to take a look at this. So let's talk about a few other products, a few of the things that came with the product itself. So we have the charging cable. Very nice. We have the cleaning brush. Pretty cool, huh? Then we have the microfolding head. I believe that's part of the product. Yes. And we have the product itself. So let's use this brush. Faces. So look at that. This is it itself. Very nice. I'll show you when it lights up. You're not gonna light up. Something is stuck on this. I don't know if it's like a little metal piece or something. But let's see. There it is. See how it's doing it? And let me show you something. As soon as it touches their hair, that's good. So I'm trying to figure out. Oh, I think I know how to do it. No. It's stuck on my hand. Because I'm going to learn how to. Oh, there it is. It is. This is detachable. You take the brush, right? And you just get the hairs off. Let's put this one on. How you do it? I'll take this one. Okay. I don't want to break it. Oh, wait. I think I know how to do it. Okay. Let's try it. Now, please, I need a mirror. Let me see. I don't think it's really. Feel smooth though. It feels smooth as hell though. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I cannot wait to start using this because around the time of my birthday, which is in, oh my god, it's in freaking 12 days. Oh. That's gonna put the good use. It didn't really have a travel bag, so that's a 9 out of 10. But I have a travel bag, so it's not that hard. You guys got a double upload this week. It was another unboxing of today's package and something about my nail journey. So you gotta, check those out. Those videos should be already up and ready to go. This video might come out tomorrow. And I will see you all next time. Bye. Alright, bye y'all.